Good morning, everybody. I hope you are all doing very well. I was supposed to send you a video on Monday, but I forgot. So this is the video I promised you, so you can see actually the factory and everything. So basically, this is the surrounding here. I don't know what this guy is doing, but all these trucks are taking ice. This one, and the other one over there, and the big ones also over there. So this is the entry of the factory. Okay. This is the office. Here. This is the office. Hi, ça va? Cool. This is one of our clients. He takes actually ice. He comes every day and he buys like 4 tons. This is the way we pack the ice. So these customers, he takes it from bags. This is the cold room. Pas une vidéo. Pour les Chinois. This is the cold room. This is the workers. And we are actually putting the ice inside of the bags because some customers, they want it in bags. So it goes from here up to the truck over there. Here are the machines. This is where the electricity is, this is where the machines are actually plugged up there. And it comes from down there to here, and it goes outside. And then all the cables are actually buried underground on the outside. This is 2 small machines, 1 ton and 1 ton every hour. So the cold room is here. The cooling tower up there. And this is, how would I say it? This is where we store the water tank. And it's quite empty actually, so this is the water tank. And the cooling tower, there are one over there and the other one on the other side, up there. And this is like a resting room for all the employees. It's not actually well done, but it's in the process. And these are the toilets here and here, toilets and shower. And this is an empty space. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but so far this is the factory. And also this is an empty lot that belongs to us, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So we have a lot of empty space, maybe for some other machines coming in the future. Okay, take care and have a good weekend. Bye bye.